What's up guys, DM here, and today in this video I will show you how to create your own Minecraft Pocket Edition server using your Android smartphone. If you want to create your own server using PC, then you can do it also, and I have a video for it, and the video description there is a link for it, so that you can just watch it. And in this video I will show you how to create your own server using Android smartphone, and you can play in it using with your friends in your Wi-Fi local multiplayer, or you can play with online world player. I will show you the both how to do it, and then I will also show you that how to ban a player, how to make a player OP, or how to kick a player in your server, and how to add cool plugins in your server. So let's go. So guys, first thing you need to do is create for creating your own server is first go to Play Store, and then there click here for searching and search for pocketmine. Just search for it. Yeah, and you have to download this one, Mr. ARM, pocketmine server from Mr. ARM. There are plenty of others fake servers available, but you have to download this one. Just install it. Yeah, so guys, once you have downloaded pocketmine from Play Store, you can see here my apps. It will be here in an icon of pocketmine. Just open it up, and you have to set up it on the first start. You have to select the version you want to download. There is a download development version or no version selected. Just select the latest version from here, and the latest version is this one, 1.3.12 right now, and just click on it. And you can also download the development version, but it will be unstable, so I prefer to download the stable version. Also, the development version right now they are supporting Minecraft 0.9.0, which is actually not out yet, but in this you can actually see grasses and other things, long grass. So now let's see, just select the stable version, just click here and click install. So just wait for a few seconds and it will download this version, and it will not take much time, just few seconds. So guys, once it is installed, you will see this page, and then you have to select configure your server. Now you have to select the server port. Let it be default server port is 19132. You have to note it down because it is useful. You have to give it to them to people who you want should join your server. Click here to enter your server name. Like my username is Xenon TNT, so I will just enter Xenon TNT. And server description, what server description I want? Advanced server description. You can enter server description like cool server with lots of fun. So server description is only visible to people who are joining you through local Wi-Fi multiplayer. I will show you where server description is comes. And message of the day, MOTD, welcome add player to the server. Add player means anyone who will join the server, your server, it will say like I am Xenon TNT and I will join the server, it will say welcome Xenon TNT to this server. Or you can actually modify this message like this, welcome to add player to my server, and you can write admin Xenon TNT like this. Now you can see here send anonymous usage statistic, enable query, announce player achievements. You don't need to modify these. You can select game mode from here. You want creative, survival, adventure, or spectator mode. Spectator means you can only watch and see things and you cannot do anything in your world. Creative means you know everyone, you know guys. Survival, you know guys. Adventure, you know guys. So anything you want, which game mode you want, just select it. Right now I want survival mode. Now enable PvP. By enabling this, the people will be able to kill each other. If this will be off, then they will not able to kill each other in your server. So this is another cool method which differentiate this server from another local Wi-Fi multiplayer game on Minecraft. So this server is better than local Wi-Fi multiplayer. So allow user fly in more survival modes. some people use hacks to fly in survival mode. So if we'll click this, then they will be allowed, and if we'll disable this, they will be directly kicked by the server out. So difficulty of the server, this means how mobs will attack on you: easy, normal, hard, peace, that's your choice. Maximum number of players you want. Spawn protection, spawn protection is a radius where you have spawned, no one can kill you in that area, and you can disable it or you can enable it, and that's it guys. And advanced internal server IP world, you don't need to configure all these things, you can just directly stop, you can just click here and take advanced version, you don't need to configure it much. And that's it guys, your server is now configured, you can review it. Server port is 19132, server name is Xenon TNT, that's my username. Actually I have created a server name by my username. Cool description, server description: cool server with lots of fun, message of the day, and game mode, enable PvP or not, your choice, and difficulty, number of players. That's it guys, just clicks here on the right bottom corner, save. So guys, once we have configured our server, we have two options. The first option is that we open this server to play with our local Wi-Fi multiplayer friends, and the second option is that we open this server for online world gaming. For the first option, there are two choices. We can do it using Wi-Fi hotspot of your device, or you can use a Wi-Fi router. By using Wi-Fi hotspot, you can only use your device as a server, and you will not able to connect your own server using this device. You need another device to connect to your server. And by using Wi-Fi router, you have a benefit that you can create a server using this device, and you can also connect to your own server using this device. I will tell you both. And by the second method, when we want to connect to online players, you need internet, you need 2G, sorry not 2G, 3G and 4G, or you need a Wi-Fi online, right, Wi-Fi internet. I will tell you everything, and I will tell you everything in description as possible. And if you fail at any step, just comment below and I will help you for sure. So now the first thing we need to do is how to connect with your friends and your server. So first thing you have to do is just go to your settings of your device. We want to use our server as a Wi-Fi hotspot first. So first thing, just go to settings and then go to more networks, and then tethering and portable hotspot, and then click here portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So you need to configure your portable Wi-Fi. You have a password for your device. Right now it's open, or you may have configured it for password. So once you have opened your Wi-Fi hotspot, you can see here tethering or hotspot active. So now all you have to do is just open pocketmine and start server. Cool. Now your server is up and running. You can see your server is now running. Now in other devices of your friend devices near you, when they will open their Wi-Fi, they can select your Wi-Fi hotspot just you have created, and when they will go into games in your Minecraft, they will see your server running there and they can connect to it. But you can connect to your own server using this device. You need another device. So now this is how you will run your server, and you can play with your friends and use this device as a server. Now if you want, okay, this is by using a Wi-Fi portable hotspot. Now if you have a Wi-Fi router, then it is a very nice thing. Just stop the server. Just all you have to do is just connect to a Wi-Fi router near you. Just connect to a Wi-Fi near you, and tell your friends to also connect to it. Once you have connected, then all you need to do is just open pocketmine, then start your server. Now your server is now running, you can see here. So now my server is up and running. Now all I need to do is, I can also connect to my server now using this device, because it is running on a router now and not using a hotspot of my device. So now when I will go in my Minecraft game folder, I can see my server up and running there. See here, Xenon TNT server. So now world on Wi-Fi. So this server is running now, and cool, I can connect to it. Wow. So I can connect to my own server using my device when I am using a Wi-Fi router, and I can only use my device as a server if I am using a Wi-Fi hotspot. So welcome Xenon TNT to this server. Wow. So now I'm in my own server. Cool. so my friends can also connect to it. Now I will show you how to ban a player you don't want on your server, and how to kick a player, or how to make a player OP on your server, and how to add plugins in your server. Then I will show you how to make your server online, and so that anyone from world can connect to your server. Okay guys, so just minimize this game, just minimize your game and go to your pocketmine. So when I was connected, you can see players connected name here. Xenon TNT is logged in game. You can see here online 1 player out of 20. So you can kick me, you can ban me from here. Actions, you can make me OP here. Just click OP and click Xenon TNT. So now Xenon TNT is OP. DOP, you can click Xenon TNT and now DOP. So now Xenon TNT is not an OP. That's it guys, it's that easy. Wow. So you can just use this server to play with your friends. Now what is its benefit, rather than just creating a Wi-Fi multiplayer on Minecraft? The benefit is you can kick your player you don't want on your server, you can make them OP, and together in single world there can be players playing in survival and in creative by being a OP. So now I will tell you how to open your server for the world. So to open your server to the world, you should have a internet on your device. You can do it by using mobile data or by online Wi-Fi internet. So then once you have connected and you have internet, first thing you need to do is just go to your browser. Now in your browser type what is my ip.com. what is my ip.com. Okay guys, just open it. So now you have to note it down: 115.252.213.122. okay, you have to note it down. This is for me, and for you this will be different. You have to note it down what is fit for you. I will remember it, 115.254.2.213.122. okay. So now you have to do is just open your pocketmine, start your server. Now my server is running. Now anyone who will want to connect to your server using online, suppose that your friend is living in a building away from you and you want that he should connect to you by internet. He need to connect to internet, and then open your here's Minecraft, then click here in right up side edit, then external, then in server name he can enter any server name for you, but our server name is Xenon TNT. This is our server name. And address, the address was one, let's see my memory, 115.250. What was that, 213.122. okay. Now port number was 19132. remember that we have configured it before. Yeah. Now add server. Now right now I can connect to this server. Okay, I will show you why I was able to, but you will not able to connect to a server if your port is disabled. I will show you how to port forward. So wow, so I created a server. Now this is open to online. Welcome to server. Now this server is using online. By just using my IP and port number, when my server is running, anyone can connect to it on world, from the world. Now I can just go to my pocketmine and can see there here a pocketmine server is running. It will show you that how many players are online right now, and Xenon TNT is playing. I can kick him, I can ban him, or I can make him OP. Let's make him a OP. So I will show you now the benefits of being OP. So now you are now OP, you can see here. So I can change my game mode now. I am right now in survival, but I can change it to game mode to creative by using game mode creative by this command, game mode creative. When I will enter next, it will restart. Game mode play. So now my game mode was changed to creative, and now I'm back logging to my game. As I said you before, once you will change your game mode, you will be restarted. So my game mode was changed, and now I'm in creative. You can see that. Now in the same server, people can be in survival and creative by being OP. So now I'm OP. Hoo hoo ha ha ha. I will kick you if you. I can kick players by typing kick and player name after this. But right now I'm alone in this server. So now I will tell you one thing, guys. You need to port forward your number up 19132 port so that others can able to connect to your server. So if you are using a Wi-Fi internet, then maybe you need to port number. You can check it if your server is up and running by just connecting to your own server in your device. If it giving you an error, then it means that your port number is not open on your device. If you are using a 3G 4G network, then you have learned how to create a server and how to connect it using a local how to open it for local Wi-Fi multiplayer, or how to use it as online multiplayer. You have done everything. But if you are using a Wi-Fi internet, then you have two things. Maybe your port is closed, maybe your port is open. So you have to just go to 192.168.0.1. just go to this address. Username will be admin and password will be admin for most of the routers, and then go here forwarding. Now in forwarding, this is the port 19132 and this is enabled right now. You can see here status enabled. If I will disable this, which is disabled by default, see I will not able to connect to my own server. So if your port will be disabled, you can see this, what will happen. I will show you. If you are using a 3G or 4G network, then you can just connect to a server without any port forwarding. But if you are not, where my server gone? This is my server Xenon TNT. Now see what will happen. Locating server, and now it will give me an error. Unable to connect to the world. So this will happen for you if you are using a Wi-Fi internet and it is not port forwarded. So you need to do what I have told you, 192.168.0.1 for most of the Wi-Fi routers. Then it will ask you for username, password, that will be admin, and then go to forwarding and then create a new, add new, and then add service port 19132 and internal port 19132. Did you remember your IP address? Your IP address is written here. This one, IP address in server status 192.168.0.101. You need to paste it here. Here 192.168.0.101. Okay guys, protocol all, status enabled, save. Port already exists because I have already created it, but you have to all do this and then just enabled it. So now this port is forwarded. So once this port is forwarded, I will able to connect to my server. I will show you. I have already showed you guys, but I am showing this back again. So once you have done configuring everything, you are a smart guy and you have learned everything, and now you can be a master of yourself. Haha. You can create your own server and you can enjoy with your friends. You can be like a boss and can kick him whenever you want, and you can run a server and you can kick any online player you want if he's misbehaving. Okay, don't kick him for no reasons. So now I am able to connect to my server. Wow, great. So one thing I need to tell you guys, you don't need to port forward a number if you are using a Wi-Fi local multiplayer. You using your server to connect with your friends. You only need to port forward if you are using this server in internet, online internet. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and if you found any difficulty, just comment below and I will help for sure. And I know this is a bit difficult in after configuring your server, it is a bit difficult, but I've tried my best, and if you found any difficulty, don't worry, I'm there to help you. So as always guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.